Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect WooCommerce products to Instagram shop. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So as you can see right here, I'm actually on my WooCommerce and I just need to click on this My Stores and I can actually see all the stores that I have. So for this one, let's click on this Manage Store in order to actually open this particular store that I have. So in here, I can see my dashboard. So I just need to click on this products right here in order to see all the products that I have. So these are all the products that I have. So if I want to actually integrate it to my Instagram shop, there's actually two methods that I can do. So generally, Instagram shop is only available for supported countries such as United States. As of right now, I'm actually in the Philippines, so it's not supported for me directly. However, I can use it indirectly through the Shopify integration. So in order to actually put my WooCommerce products into my Instagram shop, I need to use my Shopify right here. So what I can do in this one is I can head over and then click on this apps. So for this one, I'll just head over and search in here for Instagram. And then click on the search Instagram in the Shopify App Store. Once I have done that, it will search for the particular Instagram shop on my Shopify App Store. I can choose which ones I want to use for this. So you can also see in here, we have this Instagram and Facebook Meta Shop. So let's click on this one. And then in here, just click on this install option right here. As you can see, we can bring our products in front of Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. So click on install from in here. Once you have done that, this will load like this in order to actually ask us for access in order to install this. So what we can do is we can click on this install option right in here. Once you have done that, it will actually install itself. So as you can see, they actually have a setup guide right here. We just need to connect our social accounts. So let's first click on this first thing. Click on this go right here. Once you have done that, this will load and click on this connect Instagram since we're actually connecting an Instagram shop. Now this will prompt us to log in right here, and then let's head over and then just reconnect or just connect because I already logged it in on the past. So this will actually help me connect the Instagram, but if your Instagram is already connected, then you will actually get some error. Now let's head back again to the actual dashboard and we can proceed to the next step, which is to create your first auto post campaign. You can also schedule your first Instagram or Facebook shoppable post, and you can also enable tracking code on storefront. Now this is how it works. It will show you this actual Instagram shop and it can help you post your products on your actual Instagram store. So just head over and connect your social accounts. So now that we have connected our Instagram to our actual Shopify, the next step that we must proceed is to connect our actual Shopify to our actual WooCommerce. So we need to head over again to apps.shopify.com, which is the Shopify App Store. Now from in here, just head over and search in here for WooCommerce. Once you have done that, you can see in here a lot of search results that can help you with this particular query. So we have in here disable star WooCommerce importer. So let's click on this one, and then as you can see, it's actually free to install. So click on this install option right here, and then once you have done that, it will open in here a new tab wherein it will ask you for access in order to successfully integrate this application to your Shopify. Click on this install option right here, and then once you have done that, it will install itself. Now you can see in here the terms and conditions that they have. So what we can do is you can just scroll down, click on this I agree to the terms and condition, and once it's been done, just click on this continue option. Once you had ever continue, just answer their actual survey. So let's actually use this one, and then just choose this right here. If you're migrating your own store for WooCommerce. So let's migrate my own store, and then let's just skip this one, and then you just need to put in here your WooCommerce site address. So let's head over right here, and this is actually my site address. You just need to head over and click on that. Now copy the URL. Now once you have copied the URL, you just need to head over to Able Star WooCommerce and then put in here the WooCommerce site address. And then it will also ask you for your consumer key as well as your consumer secret. So you can also click on this link right here in order to help you find this particular info. So they have this API access. You just need to activate the API and you just need to head over to the settings in order to see the API that you have activated right here. So let's head over to the settings of our actual WooCommerce site. So what we can do is you can head back right here, scroll down, click on settings, and then once you have clicked on their settings from in here, this will actually load their actual store. Under the settings, you should be able to see in here the settings for integration. So click on this integration right here, and then you can see this max mind key that you can actually use. Now you can also see in here the database file path. Now you can change it up however you want, but once you head over and get the actual API that you can use for this one, you can put in here the consumer key as well as the consumer secret. Alternatively, you can just head over to the written instructions right here in order to retrieve the actual API from your WooCommerce store. They also have pictures and all of these things right here that can help you with this particular integration. Now, once you have actually done this, you can click on this new import right here in order to import the actual store that you have. You can also see in here the bulk product editor, email reports, automatic order tags, link manager, as well as WooCommerce importer. So just need to head over and put all your consumer key, consumer secret, and click on this begin migration, and on instant, your products will soon be able to appear on your actual Shopify store. As you can see right here, these are my products from in here, and I should be able to get the products from my WooCommerce, which are actually in here. And there's actually in here just like this one, which we have the hat, product, and pipe. Alternatively, I can actually just head over and click on this bulk actions, which is the actual checklist for this one, and then click on this export option. Once I have done that, it will ask me which types I want exported. I can export all data, and I can actually head over and generate the CSV. Now, once the CSV has been exported, I can head over right here to my store on my products on Shopify. Then once I have done that, I can click on this import right here, click on add file, and then just locate the exported file that I have on my actual CSV of WooCommerce. I have this one, click on open, then head over and click on this upload and preview. And now this will show you a preview of the products that will be added on your actual Shopify. Now click on this import products, and now this will import the products on your Shopify. Now, as you can see, it's been added. You might be asking me what happened if I actually import my products on Shopify. Once it's been imported on Shopify, since we actually connected their Instagram shop to the Shopify account, it will be classified as a point of sale. So when you click on a specific thing that we have right here, for example, this product that we have, it will be published to our sales channel, which is our online store, point of sales, and all of our sales channel right here. So you can click on this manage sales channel in order to see all your sales channel here as well, or you can head over to your settings and then head over in here to your apps and sales channel, and then you should be able to see in here your Instagram and FB shop. And once it's been there, it will actually be able to be added to your Instagram shop. Basically, the products from your Shopify that you have get from the WooCommerce will be added to your Instagram shop. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.